Clear, prop. Here comes the run-up.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And what I'd like to talk to you about this morning is these two unusual leaks we saw in what's called the mid-tank rib. It's called the mid-tank rib because, as you might surmise, it's in the middle of the aircraft. So it runs along the whole way between one inspection plate in the tank and the other inspection plate in the tank. On this particular one, when they were building the wings, they do ultrasonic testing, and we'll insert the picture of that right here. But when they found the ultrasound, if there was a spot in the bondment that was weak, then they would come back and drill a hole and put an Avex rivet, and it's sealed on the inside of the tank. Same thing here. So now we're going to go ahead and get some cleaner, and we're going to clean all this up and see what we have underneath there. Stand by. Okay, we've cleaned it all off, and as you can see, there's a little bit of a fuel stain, and there's some Bondo, but there's the head of an Avex rivet right there underneath the paint. Now, what happened here after we cleaned up all the debris is someone masked off a little square and put some sort of fuel tank sealant on the outside of the tank, which never works, by the way. If you ever have a leak in your fuel tank, you cannot seal from the outside. It must be done from the inside. So, and I can feel there's a rivet head right underneath what little bit of Bondo is down there. So this is not something you see very often. Yankee Aviation, we've been working on Grummans since 1991, and this is our first mid-tank rib leak that we've come across. And so we had a long talk last night with Ken Blackman on the fix for this and a couple of options, things that we might see on the inside that we're prepared for. So we will be addressing this, but we thought we'd pass this information along. It's very useful. A lot of people have never seen this. Put the GoPro all the way on the ground and get the best wide angle feel that I can. So we hope you found this information informative. We really hope you found it useful. Hope you never see this on your airplane. But again, thank you for watching Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching.